Buying club stores and shopping cooperatives. Chapter 1. Buying clubs/wholesale clubs/shopping coops. Buying clubs info. Buying clubs/membership warehouse clubs are large stores that buy directly from the manufacturer and sell to the public, eliminating the middleman, thereby making a little bit of a profit while saving you money. Most clubs are open to the general public, though some are only open to certain groups like government employees, etc. You pay an annual membership fee at some, while others are free and open to anyone like a regular supermarket. You shop for the discounts generally, everything from food to clothes to contact lenses to cars. If you have just a small family, wise buying at the supermarket may be just as good, because although the deals are advertised as great over retail supermarkets, if you cost compare per unit, you'll often find that the savings are not super high. On top of that is the waste factor. If you buy large quantities of food, chances are you'll waste some because it will be stale by the time you get around to using it. If you weren't aware of their existence in your hometown before, you can look them up in your phone book or through directory assistance and go check them out, but I must caution you that prices may not be all that great for some items in comparison with ordinary supermarkets, so make it your business to comparison shop. All the warehouse clubs listed here are open to the public. Buyers Club stores. Go to yelp.com for any local area and type in warehouse club. massbuy.com, samsclub.com, costco.com, BJ's Wholesale Club, Inc., bjs.com. 1 Mercer Road, Natick, Massachusetts 01760. 800 BJS Club. Annual fee. Connecticut, Fairfield, Hartford, Delaware, Newcastle, Florida, Hyla Gardens, Kendall, Miami, Sunrise, Massachusetts, Auburn, Chicopee, Danvers, Leominster, N. Dartmouth, Medford, Stoughton, Westboro, Weymouth, New Hampshire, Nashua, Portsmouth, Salem, New Jersey, Edison, E. Rutherford, Ocean Township, Maple Shade, New York, Albany, E. Farmingdale, Hamburg, N. Syracuse, Rochester, Tonawanda, Wappingers Falls, Pennsylvania, Allentown, Camp Hill, Philadelphia, Springfield, Rhode Island, Johnston, Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax, Virginia Beach, Woodbridge, Costco Wholesale Corp. 10809 120th Avenue, NE. Kirkland, Washington 98033. 206-828-8100. Costco.com. Alaska, Anchorage, California, Antioch, Bakersfield, Canoga Park, Chico, City of Industry, Clovis, Danville, Fremont, Fresno, Garden Grove, Hawthorne, Lancaster, Martinez, Modesto, Mountain View, Novato, Reading, Richmond Riverside, San Bernardino, San Bruno, San City, San Jose, San Leandro, Santa Clara, Santa Maria, Santa Rosa, Stockton, Temecula, Vallejo, Van Nuys, Victorville, Visalia, Connecticut, Brookfield, Milford, Waterbury, Florida, Clearwater, Davie, Delray Beach, Ft. Lauderdale, Kendall, Lantana, Lauderhill, Miami, Miami Lakes, N. Miami Beach, Orlando, Palm Beach Gardens, Palm Harbor, Pompona Beach, S. Orlando, Tampa, W. Palm Beach, Hawaii, Hawaii Kai, Honolulu, Idaho, Boise, Twin Falls, Massachusetts, Avon Danvers, W. Springfield, Worcester, Nevada, Henderson, Las Vegas, Reno, New Hampshire, Nashua, Portsmouth, New Jersey, Clifton, New York, Nanuet, Oregon, Aloha, Bend, Clackamas, Eugene, Medford, Portland, Salem, Tualatin, Utah, Salt Lake City, Washington, Federal Way, Kennewick, Kirkland, Linwood, Seattle, Silverdale, Spokane, Tacoma, Turnwater, Tukwila, Union Gap, Canada, Alberta, Calgary, Edmonton, British Columbia, Burnaby, Kelowna, Nanaimo, Richmond, Surrey, Manitoba, Winnipeg, Saskatchewan, Saskatoon. Pace Membership Warehouse, 5680 Greenwood PLA Boulevard, Englewood, Colorado 80111, 303-843-8000, PaceMembershipWarehouse.com, California, Cathedral City, Chino, Downey, El Monte, Fountain Valley, Fullerton, Gardena, San Bernardino, San Fernando, Woodland Hills, Colorado, Arvada, Aurora, Colorado Springs, Ft. Collins, Sheridan, Connecticut, Berlin, Florida, Hillsborough County, Palm Harbor, Pinellas PK, Tampa, Tampa, Georgia, Forest Park, Marietta, Norcross, Roswell, Stone MTN, Iowa, Des Moines, Kentucky, Lexington, Louisville, Maryland, Baltimore, Capital HTS, Landover, Laurel, Michigan, Farmington Hills, Flint, Kalamazoo, Madison HTS, Roseville, Saginaw, Taylor, Westland, Ypsilanti, Nebraska, Omaha, New York, Cheektowaga, North Carolina, Cary, Charlotte, Greensboro, Ohio, Cincinnati, Cleveland, Pennsylvania, Hatboro, Langhorne, Monroeville, Ross Township, W. Mifflin, Rhode Island, Warwick. The Price Company / Price Club. The Price Company / Price Club is now at Costco.com. Sam's Wholesale Club. Walmart Stores. 608 Southwest 8th St. Bentonville, Arkansas 72712. 501-273-4000. samsclub.com. walmart.com. Alabama. Birmingham, Dothan, Florence, Huntsville, Mobile, Montgomery, Arkansas, Little Rock, Ft. Smith, N. Little Rock, Springdale, California, Calexico, Riverside, Yuba City, Colorado, Colorado Springs, Grand JCT, Loveland, Connecticut, Manchester, Orange, Delaware, Dover, Florida, Clearwater, Daytona Beach, Ft. Myers, Ft. Pierce, Ft. Walton Beach, Gainesville, Jacksonville, Lakeland, Lantana, Melbourne, Miramar, Naples, Ocala, Orlando, Panama City, Pensacola, Pompano Beach, Sarasota, St. Petersburg, Sunrise/Miami, Tallahassee, Tampa, W. Palm Beach, Georgia, Atlanta, Athens, Augusta, Columbus, Macon, Savannah, Idaho, Idaho Falls, Illinois, Champaign, Chicago, Decatur, Joliet, Marion, Naperville, Peoria, Streamwood, Madison, O'Fallon, Rockford, Springfield, Indiana, Evansville, Ft. Wayne, Goshen, Indianapolis, Lafayette, Merrillville, S. Bend, Terre Haute, Iowa, Cedar Rapids, Davenport, Des Moines, Sioux City, Kansas, Lenexa, Topeka, Wichita, Kentucky, Florence, Lexington, Louisville, Louisiana, Alexandria, Baton Rouge, Lafayette, Lake Charles, Monroe, New Orleans, Shreveport, Maine, Bangor, Portland, Maryland, Annapolis, Hagerstown, Salisbury, Massachusetts, Saugus/Boston, Worcester, Michigan, Detroit, Flint, Grand Rapids, Holland, Lansing, Minnesota, Duluth, Minneapolis, Rochester, St. Cloud, Mississippi, Gulfport, Jackson, Tupelo, Missouri, Columbia, Joplin, Kansas City, Springfield, St. Louis, Montana, Great Falls, Nebraska, Lincoln, Omaha, Nevada, Las Vegas, New Hampshire, Concord, Hudson, Seabrook, New Jersey, Atlantic City, Delran Township, East Brunswick, New Mexico, Farmington, Santa Fe, New York, Binghamton, Medford, Middleton, Niagara Falls, Rochester, Syracuse, North Carolina, Charlotte, Fayetteville, Gastonia, Greensboro, Hickory, Raleigh, Wilmington, Winston-Salem, North Dakota, Fargo, Grand Forks, Ohio, Akron, Canton, Cincinnati, Cleveland, Columbus, Dayton, Lima, Mansfield, South Point, Toledo, Youngstown, Oklahoma, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Pennsylvania, Harrisburg, Philadelphia, Reading, Wilkes-Barre, York, South Carolina, Charleston, Columbia, Myrtle Beach, Spartanburg, South Dakota, Sioux Falls, Tennessee, Chattanooga, Kingsport, Knoxville, Memphis, Nashville, Texas, Abilene, Amarillo, Arlington, Austin, Beaumont, Brownsville, College Sta. Conroe, Corpus Christi, Dallas, El Paso, Ft. Worth, Grand Prairie, Houston, Laredo, Louisville, Lubbock, McAllen, Midland, San Antonio, Sherman, Temple, Texarkana, Texas City, Tyler, Waco, Wichita Falls, Virginia, Charlottesville, Chesapeake, Newport News, Richmond, Roanoke, Woodridge, West Virginia, Charleston, Fairmount, Parkersburg, Wisconsin, Appleton, Eau Claire, Green Bay, La Crosse, Madison, Milwaukee, Racine, Wyoming, Cheyenne, Puerto Rico, Bayamon, Mexico, Mexico City, Monterey, Warehouse Club in Illinois, 7235 North Linder Avenue, Skokie, Illinois 60077, 708-679-6800, Illinois, Bridgeview, Niles, Indiana, Hammond, Michigan, Allen Park, Hazel Park, Redford Township, Ohio, Akron, Columbus, Dayton, Pennsylvania, Bridgeville, N. Versailles. Shopping cooperatives. Co-ops are businesses owned by a large group of people with the intention of helping each other get better deals on products and services and live a better life than with ordinary for-profit businesses. If you're socially conscious, you might consider starting or investing in co-ops, which often seek out investors in the form of partners who share in the ownership of the company and get part of the profits. The most common types of cooperatives are utilitarian in scope, formed to do the greatest good possible for the members, such as utility cooperatives, agricultural cooperatives, and investment clubs. Individuals and businesses join together to help each other out. The people get the services they want while the business makes enough money to sustain itself. They are generally not geared for profit but to help out all the people involved. A co-op in the business sense for profit is simply a number of people who by themselves don't have enough money to start up a business, so they get together and agree to each contribute a bit of money to start a business and each spend X number of hours at it per month to either pay off the business as co-owners, then split the proceeds when they sell it, or to work at the business as a team and expand until every member has his own store or something like that. Co-ops don't have to have large numbers of members. Many co-ops have from 4 to 10 members. Think of a regular business, but instead of 1 or 2 owners, 3 or more get together to pool their efforts for a common capitalist purpose. There are service co-ops which might offer childcare or housing, financial co-ops like credit unions, and retail co-ops like supermarkets. Most co-ops are state or provincially regulated. A co-op is simply a group of people who come together to form a special kind of corporation rather than the 2 or 3 who usually start a corporation. Although their motives can be socially conscious, to help the community, etc., they could be doing it for the good of themselves to make a profit for their in-group. agr.ca/policy/coop/AQL, cooperative business model. coopamerica.org, coopdirectory.org, cooperativegrocer.com, co-opsonline.com, National Cooperative Business Association, ncbac-lusa.coop, National Federation of All Manner of Customer-Owned Businesses, Co-op America, 1612 K St. N.W. Number 600. Washington, D.C. 20006. coopamerica.org. Sell National Green Pages and Co-op America Quarterly.